Installing Blackout film is an easy and cheap way to upgrade your van. Once it's smooth, the film looks professional and lasts for ages. It's amazing how much difference this small change makes.
Hi everyone, here is Evka
And Leo.
Welcome back to our channel. If you like campervans, road trips, do-it-yourself project and all around, you're at the right place. Let's get started. We choose a film that blocks 95% of light. This means more privacy and better sun protection. It keeps the van cooler during the day and warmer at the night. What you will need: blackout window film, spray bottle with soapy water, which means few drops of dishwashing liquid in water, squeegee or credit card wrapped in a soft cloth, razor blade or utility knife, microfiber cloth, heat gun or hair dryer, masking tape, and ideally friend who can help you. Got it all? Awesome! Let's do it step by step.
Find a clean, dust-free place to work, like indoors or in the shade. Make sure the windows are clean and free of dust or dirt. First of all, spray the window with soapy water. Use a squeegee or microfiber cloth to clean it well. Scrape off anything stuck with a razor blade. Wipe the edges and corners to remove dirt or grease. And now you are ready to start with blackout film. Roll out the film and place it on the outside of the window with the liner facing out. Cut the film roughly to the size of the window, leaving about 1 to 2 cm extra on all sides. Spray the inside of the window with soapy water. This helps you move the film around and get rid of air bubbles. Peel off the liner. Use masking tape on both sides of a corner to make peeling easier. Also spray the sticky side of the film with soapy water to stop it sticking too soon. Place the film on the wet window and slide it into position. Leave a small gap 1 to 2 mm around the edges to stop it peeling later. Use a squeegee or wrapped credit card to push out air bubbles and water working from the center to the edges. Trim off the extra film with a sharp razor blade. Follow the shape of the window. Go over the film again with a squeegee to remove any leftover water or bubbles. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to shrink the film slightly if needed, especially on curved edges at the rear window. Let the film dry for 24 to 48 hours. Don't roll down the windows during this time.
And because we really want to help you, we have prepared several extra tips for you. Use a sharp razor blade for clean cuts. Work in temperatures between 18 to 26 degrees. Hot weather can make the glue too sticky, and the cold weather can make the film brittle. Keep the heat gun 15 to 20 centimeters away and move it around to avoid overheating. If needed, use a pin to pop big bubbles, then press them flat with the squeegee. Keep the film and window wet while working so you can adjust it. Small bubbles will disappear as the film dries. It means just be patient. And first window takes about an hour, so take your time to avoid any mistakes. We hope these tips help you start your van life journey. Whether you are building a campervan or just dreaming, every step gets you closer to your goal. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share your tips with us in comments. See you on the road.
Cheers!